HiDream is exploring a new generation with insubstantial data and information, as well as the upgraded technology and fluent communication. Multihead ware is manufactured with exquisite craftsmanship, such as casting, cutting, welding, and laser. The Low-Cell, which is imported from Germany, with our high rate of sampling, low noise and conversion model, and real-time control system that reach high precision weighing to make sure the minimal weight error.
The first ultra-fine and ultra-light 0.1 liter hopper in China,
as well as created the highly accurate measuring technology in this industry.
with the top configuration, wide-angle camera, USB data transmission,
Networking and more than 200 sets multi-head wares can be promote connecting in real time and identify the intelligent from the monitor, data reading, differentiated operation.
The 10.4-inch intelligent monitor is easy to operate. 3-part combination including multi-head weigher, dust cover house and vibration feeder control set.
The accuracy, which is different from the plus-minus 0.1 gram of the same type of wares.
Our micro-weigher accuracy reached the highest level, plus-minus 0.03 gram at a certain speed and weight.
The demanding configuration is reflected in every detail of super precision micro-weigher. HiDream will keep on intelligent manufacturing by rigorous style and mentality of keep improving. HiDream is always on your side.